Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can redeem PlayStation gift cards on your PS5. So let's begin the video. In order to redeem PlayStation gift cards on your PS5, the first thing you need to do is to open the store on your PlayStation. For this, if you are in the media menu, you're going to go on the top left, select games, and now you are in the games menu. From here you're going to go to the left side where you're going to find PlayStation Store, select the PlayStation Store, and now we're going to the very top right where you have these three dots. Select this, and now you're going to have the second option, redeem code. Select redeem code, and here you need to enter your 12 digit or 12 character voucher code. So this is the code that you have bought online or from in store, and if you are living in Pakistan, then you can buy the PlayStation gift card codes from a store called Infinity Gamers. I have bought from them in the past and they are trusted, so I will put their link in the video description. Anyways, you need to enter your voucher code here, if it is $10, $20, $30 and so on. So I'm going to enter mine right here without the dashes. Once you have entered your voucher code, click on done, and after that click on redeem. So you can see it's showing my current wallet is $2.92 and the funding amount is $10 because this is a $10 PSN gift card. So I'm going to click on redeem and $10 will be added. You can see now my current wallet is $12.92. So yeah guys, in this way you can redeem PlayStation gift cards on your PS5. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.